went last summer for the first time in years because of all the water. You know, it rained last summer.
Yeah.
So we did Sabino Bear Canyon loop. Up Sabino. So how about you guys? Any backpack? Some people do it, but
I did it more now. It's 31.
No, that's good.
My friend Pablo gave me a call and goes, "Hey, next August 2023, adventure.
Yeah.
You're paying somebody to give you the adventure."
Yeah, for sure.
But I'll tell you, when you have a guide, you don't miss anything.
Adventure.
That's you wouldn't think, hey, this is where we should pull off. But we pull off, and they got loaded a long time. You know, I'll tell you, on the highway they advertise
rain, tar, creosote. I got right up. We went skiing, man. So I had the day off, and we went skiing. Became friends.
But where did you pick him up? Like, where was he?
Down the bottom, I think.
So you were walking and
I was just hitchhiking on my way up.
and Ken picked you up, and that was it.
So
that's cool.
Thanks for inviting me.
I stayed. Yeah. Well, I rented the cabin. We had a little place up Carter Canyon on a little side road. This creek's probably got water in it by now, yeah, shoveled that patio a few times. Like it was too snowy, we had no business.
If it didn't happen, it's a story I tell anyway.
There you go. Sounds good. Somewhere to go. It's not like midway. That's cool. Flew into over the ridge. We dropped into Bear Canyon before on this side of Thimble Peak. That's where we dropped down into. So that's where we were backpacking last year. We spent the night out on that, up on that ridge or somewhere.
Wow.
Here's where the flood hit in 2000.
Took
Took this out, yeah, 2007. So like a 1,000-year storm. They surprised over here for some little creeks coming out of this side. There you go, waterfall.
This is just a hangout party.
Yeah, it's good to
see what's happening.
Yeah, these are cool. You can
The cat can say she's been up to 9,000 feet.
Yep, there you go. There it is. That's a big old.
It's tight.
Save some money.
It was going to be rainy like this all day. Look at the backside road.
Yeah, there you see the road down there where it wiggles around down
And I hiked way out there by Rick's Lake, 5 miles further out. And going up the burn. And I was following the deer trails. And there it is, like untouched, no cracks, glass, insulator for electric. And I think it's like
2 years ago. Farmed this whole area bad, and they just protected the tornado again. Barely missed it. Arizona, man.
came up here and first, hung out with each other. I brought her up here.
TV down here? Oh,
I never
on the
noticed
sawmill. Yeah, it's like a sports bar almost or something.
Really? I've never seen.
I only ate there once with like a group dinner. Actually, I was part of a conference across the street, so we borrowed the restaurant to eat dinner one day.
All the time driving down the road. So I changed the tires. It's been a new rubber. Now it runs smooth. You left that there.
Heavy rain.
We're gonna run into it.
We're gonna see it off.
What do you mean? We're gonna run right into it.
Water in that one.
Was I left? Tell him I was crying. Tell him I was crying. This old town
Oh, a couple of them. All those canyons are cool. That was cool seeing that one across the way. Cloud ahead of your campsite. That's some point right now.
Oh.
7 cataracts will give you
Oh.
People have died and stuff.
Yeah. Hey, how are you?
Kinda hard to find. If you want.
What's that mountain range like way over there? Rincon Mountains? Wow. Hi, Mike.
Hey. No, like today, we're getting a lot of rain.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they might have got in trouble. Like, oh, we're relaxing all of a sudden.
Real mountain water.
My one was just enough to get in trouble.
Yeah, as seen from the valley, the mountain is enshrouded by clouds.
Doesn't look like any rain around here.
Nope.
Maybe it might.
There's the mountain.
Yeah. Hey, how are you?
get that one, Dad?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Wow. Did you get that one, Dad?